Check out this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include a dark titanium vinyl seat trim, GVWR, 12,800 pounds, 5806 kilograms, mirrors, outside high visibility vertical camper style, black, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 4.10 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated, cruise control, electronic, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Tires, LT 235/80R17 all-terrain, Blackwall, license plate front mounting package, snowplow prep package, pickup box, delete and the tire, spare. LT 235/80R17E all-terrain. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.